Manabante, please proceed.
Yeah. May I ask General La Peña at saka si Yusek Gumban, hindi po ba pursuant to the law which was already in existence in 2004, tama po ba? Yung Republic Act 9165, hindi ba?
Yes, sir.
Kung ang operations are anti-illegal drugs, ang PDEA ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
That's right, sir.
Yusek Gumban, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
General Wilkins, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, in other words, yung lahat po na nangyayari from December 31 to January 5, dapat kayo po ang nakakaalam dahil kayo po ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero sa pagsasagot niyo po sa amin, parang hindi niyo po alam yung nangyari. Kasi you stated that you do not even know kung sino yung mga pumunta sa Arlene apartment. For example, if I asked you, what is the distance between the Arlene apartments at saka yung chemical warehouse sa Agdao?
Siguro, Mr. Chair, mga 5 minutes ride. 3 to 5 minutes ride.
Yes. Ni-raid nyo na yung Agdao, yung Arlene apartments. January 1, bumalik kayo sa 5 minutes na lugar from Arlene apartment, ni-raid nyo yung warehouse doon. January 4.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi wala kaming search warrant doon, Mr. Chair.
Saan?
Sa Agdao warehouse, Mr. Chair, wala kaming warrant eh.
Wala rin kayong warrant sa Arlene eh.
Doon sa Arlene naman, Mr. Chair, kasi sumama naman yung mga tao, Mr. Chair eh.
Hindi yun ang issue eh. Ang issue doon is, did you have a search warrant to that? Are you telling me that you can enter any place? A private place without any warrant of search warrant?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko alam kung ano yung actual na nangyari.
Office
Yes,
of
Mr.
Primary
Chair.
Responsibility. You are not accepting responsibility dahil hindi nyo ma-explain kung nasaan yung 13 na Chinese. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
All right, thank you so much. Now I will be proceeding to the next interpellator. Congressman Nabante, Chairman, you are now recognized.
Thank you.
You have 2 minutes. Atin pala. Sige, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.